Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you the DRV Mobile Suites 36 RSSB3. So as you can see here, we got full body paint on this. This one does have 4 slide outs, so we got a lot of space going on. On the bottom there, we got a room for a generator. We got our King Kong storage here. You go and look on through there. To all my handymen out there, if you'd like to go ahead and do some alterations, you definitely can do so. Plenty of lighting and controls in the back. This does come with an auto leveling system, so electrical and very easy. As you can see right here, they also got the springs on here with both of the storages. Makes it easy to close, and it's also very, very thick as well. So real easy. Super simple. Got our solid steps here, so let's go inside the coach. As you come on in here, you got a lot of tall space. So for all my tall people having to shrink down, you don't have to shrink and bend on over. Beautiful lighting out through here. Got some lighting everywhere, accent lighting everywhere. We got our island here with solid surface countertops, a double sink as well, with the trendy sink, or not sink, but faucet. With the trendy faucet, we got our 4-burner stove here with even a full-size a full-size oven, so you can fit a whole turkey in there for Thanksgiving. Microwave on the top. Go ahead, we got some storage right here on the top as well. Residential fridge and freezer. Quite nice. And as you come around here, just more storage. Even got the trash chute here, or the trash drawer rather. And just more and more storage with the cabinetry as well. So beautiful. We also got the dishwasher here, fairly nice. And mostly throughout the cupboards too, you can see some accent lighting. So you'll always see what's in the pantry or in the cupboards. You even got a tray slide out if you want to go ahead and put some things in there as well. More ample storage everywhere and everywhere. So we also got over here our dinette with 2 chairs. This does extend out so you can fit a capacity of 4 people around the table. Real nice. We got some more storage on the bottom here as well. So if you want to put your games in there or your cards, you're more than welcome to do that. We also have some USB ports for the kids or for you, and these electrical outlets. Like I said, accent lighting throughout, and even some more storage for other things you need or want in your RV. As you look at the windows, very open lighting, natural light, which is really, really nice as you're camping and RVing. We got this 2 recliners seat, or a love seat rather. We also have a couch here with 2 pillows. This does convert into a hide-a-bed as well. So once again, more natural light being let in, as well as some cabinetry on the top. On the bottom over here to your right, we got the Standard Fireplace, all electric. We also have a big screen TV and storage for all of your entertainment needs. Real, real nice. Beautiful. Cool. And so as we go on this side of the coach, as you enter into this cabinet right here, there's space right there, as well as all of your controls. So it's right as soon as you come on in, you can totally turn on everything that you need. Easy to find, no biggie. We also got the DRV clock on the top there, as well as just some more cabinetry with adjustable shelving, which is fairly nice. You can make it what you want. What I really love about this floor plan too is that you can host guests, but you can also have a lot of privacy as well. Just with this door. If you're just not feeling it and you want to be alone, you totally can. And it's got this hallway too, which is fairly home-like. You know, it makes you feel right at home. As you come right in here to the bathroom on our right-hand side, plenty of space for storage, as well as the walk-in shower, beautiful sink, and the faucet as well. Got some accent lighting on the bottom. Beautiful. We also got hookups here for a washer and dryer, and just other, hanging needs or things you want to use for this space. Plenty of storage. Come on through here. This is a king bed right on in here. We got our TV on the top here, as well as our dresser where you can put anything you want. Nice, beautiful, some things in here, but nice, beautiful cabinets as well. Super nice. Oh, man. Then you got more things for your entertainment if you want, or just more storage. Right here, we got our 2 closet doors. Then we also got a closet space in there as well. You can go ahead and take a peek in there. Nice space in there for everything that you need to hang and hold. And around here to the bed, you also have controls over there. There's both lights at the top, and you can dim them individually. So if your partner wants to go to sleep but you don't, you can totally leave the light on as well. There's electrical plugs there as well, and some USB ports on that side. Cool. Awesome, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, come on down to BISH'S RV. We have a summer forever sale right now, so would love for you to come on out. My name is Kyle. Feel free to ask for me. My phone number is 541-799-8794. Go ahead and give me a call, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, y'all.